I'm rebuilding an XR75 and I have noticed that there really isn't a video on doing the fork seals or disassembling the front fork. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the video of an XR75 front fork. On the front forks, these are black. No one painted them black. All the 77s I've seen are all black. And there's some gouging, but all in all, there's no pitting around where the seals run. So it's a matter of draining them and disassembling them. So I drained it, put the bolt back in, pull the dust cap off, and use snap ring pullers here. And there's a snap ring, and underneath that is a washer, and there's the seal. Now I'm going to see if this, I don't believe this seal is going to come off because it does not show a screw down in here in the breakdown online, but there's definitely a screw in here, and I'm almost positive that is your keeper. So I'll work on that, see if that's going to need to come out. All right, so I found how this comes apart. So there is a screw down in here, but it doesn't need to come out. That screw is for like draining, or I'm not exactly sure what you would call it, but it's not necessary. So here's how the seal comes out. Pull this down and spring load it, and then just let it go. And there we go. Now this has got, it came out this way. The shorter rungs here on the spring that are tighter go to the bottom. And so we will just clean this up and replace the fork seal and put it back together. So when you take the bottom screw out of here, which comes out relatively easy, and I can see it's got a sealing washer, copper sealing washer here, which they don't show. So I'm just going to put it back in with that washer all cleaned up. This almost looks like a little bit of sealer, a little bit of like Yama Bond. So I'll put a little of that on there too. So we'll clean this up. This is what this screws into. When this goes down in here, this goes in, and it screws into this piece right here. So that's the fork all broke down. So I'll put it back together, and I'll show you how I do that. But it's going to be just right at the seal. I'm not going to go back through it. It's going to all be put back together the same way I took it apart.